Now let's check how to insert value to a table in a database. So first open MySQL, give the password. So I'm going directly to my existing database class. So use class and show tables will list how many tables are there. So I have one table named student. Disk student will show you the structure of the table. So this is the structure of my table. Roll number, name, age, stream, date of admission and fee. These are the fields. Now I want to insert value to my existing table student. So my command is insert into student values, open bracket, first number is roll number, let me give 121, and the next is name. Name is a worker type item, so I have to give in quotes, giving Pankaj. Next is age, I am giving 21, 24, and the next is stream, I am giving science, it should be in quotes, comma. Next is date of admission. So date of admission, you can see the data type is date. Date you can give in reverse order, that is year, month and date. So add 2 in quotes. So I am giving 1997 01 01 quotes. And last item is fee, I am giving 1500. Enter. So you can see query, okay, one row affected. So I want to insert more rows, I can use arrow key and I can change the values. So here is your table. Select star from class will show, select star from student will show the complete data available in the student table. So these are the values. Select star will display all the items in the table. Similarly, select name, one field I am saying name from student will display only the name column. If you want to see items, date of admission and name, so whatever you are mentioning, in that order the details will be displayed. So select date of ADM, comma, name from student will display the details of the table. So let's go back to select star, then select age from student will display age column. Let me give select distinct of age from student. Now you can see it reduced the redundant values. 24, you can see here 21, 22, 25, then 22. This repeated 22 is not coming. 30 and 23. So it will remove the duplicate values. Now I'm typing select stream as department. From student. Its meaning is select stream. So stream column will be selected and an alternative name I am issuing to stream column. So department. So under display you can see the stream column having a heading department instead of stream.